This is an oversized camping cot. It holds 300 pounds. It's 79 by 30 by 17 inches in width. And this is the oversized one. I got this at Dick's Sporting Goods. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to put it up and take it down. It's pretty simple. I know it got directions in the package. As you can see, it fell down right there. But I'm gonna show you an easier way to do it. It's pretty simple. First, you wanna take it out the package, then you wanna just lay it down. Lay that one end down and fold it all the way back until it stops. And I go ahead and lock mine, locks in place. They tell you to do that at the end, but I go ahead and do it first to keep it from sliding back. As you can see, I'm gonna bring it and zoom in here. There's just some little locks right there. Just lock it in place. And you do the other side the same way. You fold it up until it stops, then you just lock it in place. And it's pretty simple. But like I said, the manual tells you to do that last, but I just do it first to keep it from coming loose. Then I put it up right. Then I spread it out. And once you do that, I'm gonna just zoom in here and just let you look at the locks, how I locked it in place. Like I said, you want to do it on all four sides. Just go ahead and lock it in place. Okay, once it's locked in place, just put it up right. Now you want to put your bars in. And this is pretty easy to do, the bars. First, you want to just make sure it's put in correctly. You see this little groove there? It just lines up with the little buttons on the side. So you want to put it in this hole right here. And all this bar is for is to stretch it out to get that polyester tight. So you put one side in. Okay, and the other side, you're gonna have to put a little pressure on it, pull it a little bit, and it'll snap in place. And you wanna go and do the other side the same way. And this one's gonna be a little harder because it's already stretched a little bit. Put that in. You see it's a little tighter, so I'm gonna have to go to the side and put a little force. Just push it, and it'll click right in place. As you see, it's pretty tight now. And that's all to it, and putting it up. So I'm gonna zoom in and just let you look at everything. See, those brackets are still in place. Make sure those brackets are locked. And if they're not, it's not gonna be a big problem, but just do it. Now we're gonna take it off and just do everything in reverse. See, I'm taking everything off in reverse. I just like to roll mine to the side and take this latch loose on all four sides. I take those two on that side first, and then I just fold it down and just flip it up. Take those other two off. Then you just fold the legs up. Put it on the side, and you see how I'm gonna fold this leg up. Then I'm gonna fold the other leg up. That's it. And just get your cover and zip it up maybe 1/3 the way or half the way. And you're gonna notice the way I put it in. I put it in this way first, and the reason why I do that, so when I put my little brackets in, it don't get caught in the polyester, so it don't have nothing to catch it. So that's it. You just slide it in. And fold it a little bit and just start zipping it up. When you get it almost zipped up, then you can put the 2 brackets in. It's that easy. See, I pulled it up, then I'm gonna put those 2 brackets in. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.